हेलो दोस्तों एंड व्यूअर्स, सेल्फिप एकेडमी में आपका स्वागत है। एक और नए वीडियो के साथ मैं हाजिर हूँ। रीडिंग फॉर व्यू पॉइंट्स जो है आपको आईएल्स में भी मिल जाएगा, जैसे कि यस नो नॉट गिवन है, दैट इज ओपिनियन ऑफ द ऑथर। लाइकवाइज हियर यू हैव रीडिंग फॉर व्यू पॉइंट्स artificial intelligence on the CELPIP reading. Just before I get started, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and smash the like button. Also comment below, this way I'll be able to come up with more such videos in the future for you, which is going to benefit you. All right. The debate over the ethics and efficacy of artificial intelligence AI in decision-making process has become increasingly contentious. Dr. Elizabeth Warner, a computer scientist at MIT, mentions that AI can vastly improve efficiency and accuracy in various fields. From medical diagnostics to financial forecasting, according to her, AI systems are trained on extensive data sets, can identify patterns and make predictions with a level of precision unattainable by humans. She emphasizes AI's potential to revolutionize industries hinges on its ability to process and analyze data at unprecedented speeds, thus enabling more informed and timely decisions. तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं जो AI कर सकता है वो ह्यूमंस नहीं कर सकते हैं करके बोल रहे हैं, और ऊपर से जो डेटा है उसको जल्दी से एनालाइज करके हमको दे सकता है AI. Okay, let's move on to the next paragraph. The risks of AI entrenching systemic inequalities far outweigh its benefits, states Dr. Alan Green, an ethicist at Stanford University, and argues about the deployment of AI in critical decision-making roles. He admits that AI systems, while seemingly impartial, can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in their training data, leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Dr. Green points to several instances where AI algorithms used in hiring or law enforcement have demonstrated biased behavior against certain demographic groups without stringent oversight and continual reassessment. He underscores the need for a cautious and regulated approach to ensure ethical integrity in AI applications. तो हमको समझने वाली बात यह है कि पैराग्राफ में क्या कहा जा रहा है, तभी जाके हम क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही से ढूंढ पाएंगे। तो ये वाले पैराग्राफ में हम क्या इन्फर कर रहे हैं कि AI जो है थोड़ा बहुत अनफेयर भी है और डिस्क्रिमिनेटोरी भी है, तो फिर वही देख पा रहे हैं हम। ओके, तो इसके अलावा क्या कह रहे हैं कि जो डॉक्टर एलन ग्रीन है वो कह रहे हैं कि ये जो AI का डिप्लॉयमेंट हुआ है ये क्रिटिकल डिसीजन मेकिंग रोल्स में जरूर इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं, मगर बहुत ही बायस्ड है, यही कह रहे हैं सब लोग। Reliance on AI can erode public trust in institutions, especially if decisions are perceived as opaque or unaccountable. Adding another dimension to the debate, Dr. Rachel Kim, a sociologist at the University of Chicago, explores the societal implications of AI integration. She cautions that the delegation of decision making to machines could lead to a disempowered citizenry, stripped of agency and skeptical of the mechanisms governing their lives. Dr. Kim advocates for a balanced approach where AI augments human decision making rather than replacing it entirely, thereby maintaining transparency and accountability. तो किम क्या कह रहे हैं कि ये जो बैलेंस्ड अप्रोच है AI का, इसको जरूर डिसीजन मेकिंग में इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं और ट्रांसपेरेंसी भी मेंटेन कर सकते हैं एंड अकाउंटेबिलिटी भी। ऑलराइट, लेट्स मूव ऑन टू डॉक्टर सैमुअल ली, जो कि डेटा साइंटिस्ट है at the National Institute of Technology, offers a robust defense of AI, emphasizing its potential to foster innovation and solve complex problems. Dr. Lee argues that AI can be designed to be self-improving, learning from its mistakes and refining its algorithms to become more accurate and less biased. With the right safeguards and continuous improvements, AI can be powerful tool to address some of the most pressing challenges of our time, Dr. Lee asserts. He believes AI should focus on collaboration between humans and machines to leverage the strengths of both for optimal outcomes. तो देखते हैं क्वेश्चन में क्या है अभी. Choose the best option according to the information given on the website. Question number 1. Dr. Warner's view of AI's ability to revolutionize industries primarily depends on the assumption that AI systems A. can replace human decision makers entirely, B. are less likely to make errors compared to human judgment, C. are immune to biases present in human decision making, D. can process and analyze data faster and more accurately than humans. So हमने पैराग्राफ ए में देखा कि एनालाइज डेटा एट अनप्रेसिडेंटेड स्पीड्स करके कहा गया लास्ट सेंटेंस में. सो डी इज द राइट आंसर. हम इन्फर कर पा रहे हैं कि डी इज द राइट आंसर. कैन प्रोसेस एंड एनालाइज डेटा फास्टर and more accurately than humans. Question number 2. Dr. Green's critique of AI systems is grounded in the concerns that A. AI systems are too expensive to implement widely. B. AI systems cannot handle large databases effectively. C. AI systems, through impartial, can reinforce existing societal biases. D. AI systems will replace human jobs leading to unemployment. तो हमने अभी देखा पैराग्राफ में कि AI systems दो impartial can reinforce existing societal biases. तो फिर C is the right answer. आप देखेंगे तो हमने यहाँ पैराग्राफ में देखा है can inadvertently perpetuate biases present in their training data leading to unfair or discriminatory outcomes. Okay. So first C is the right answer for question number 2. Question number 3. The potential risk highlighted by Dr. Kim regarding the use of AI is that it A. might lead to increased efficiency in public services. B. could reduce transparency and diminish public trust in institutions. C. will completely eliminate human errors in decision making. D. can enhance the democratic processes by being neutral. तो हमने देखा था पैराग्राफ में B is the right answer, could reduce transparency and diminish public trust in institutions. तो कहां पे देखा था हमने? Dr. Kim advocates for a balanced approach where AI augments human decision making rather than replacing it entirely, thereby maintaining transparency and accountability. तो फिर B is the right answer. Okay. Question number 4. According to Dr. Lee, one of the key benefits of AI is its ability to A. continuously improve by learning from its errors and reducing biases. B. replace the need for human oversight entirely. C. operate without any risk of making mistakes. D. function efficiently without extensive data inputs. So we saw in the 4th paragraph somewhere that it foster innovation and solve complex problems. So continuously improve by learning from its errors and reducing biases. A should be the right answer. तो आपको क्या है कि रीडिंग में दिक्कत होती है तो ज़्यादा रीडिंग जैसे कि न्यूज़पेपर हो गया या आर्टिकल्स हो गए वो सब पढ़ने पड़ेंगे एंड वोकैबुलरी अंडरस्टैंड करना पड़ेगा, पैराफ्रेज सेंटेंसेस अंडरस्टैंड करने पड़ेंगे. इस वजह से आपका रीडिंग आसान हो जाता है. Question number 5. Despite their differing views, what common stance do all 4 experts share regarding AI? A. AI should be banned from critical decision-making roles. B. AI's integration into decision-making processes is inevitable but must be managed carefully. C. AI will eventually become completely unbiased and ethical. D. Human oversight is unnecessary with advanced AI systems. So despite their differing views, what common stance do all 4 experts share regarding AI is, it should be B only. AI's integration into decision-making processes is inevitable, sure to happen, but must be managed carefully. कुछ भी हो सकता है फ्यूचर में, तो संभाल के AI को हैंडल करना पड़ेगा. Also check CELPIP Reading for Viewpoints. Music industry. The following is a comment by a visitor to the website page. Complete the comment by choosing the best option to fill in each blank. Working in a tech company, I find the decision of AI's role in decision making fascinating yet concerning, while Dr. Warner's point about AI's ability to dash large data sets for accurate predictions is compelling. So question number 6. A. Disregard the immense variety of inputs that are essential for producing. B. Overlook the importance of small data sets. C. Replicate human biases. D. Process and analyze large data sets for generating. So D should be the right answer. Process and analyze large data sets for generating. Okay, next. We cannot ignore Dr. Green's warning that AI systems can dash biases inherent in their training data. Question number 7. A. Mitigate the various systemic issues that could arise from. B. Perpetuate and exacerbate the biases that exist within. C. Eliminate the need for human intervention in. D. Obscure the potential benefits of. So I see here that B is the right answer. Perpetuate and exacerbate the biases that exist within should be the right answer. क्योंकि paragraph ने हमने देखा था. Question number 8. All right. So furthermore, Dr. Kim's perspective on the societal impact is crucial. Relying too heavily on AI could dash public trust and dash people's sense of agency. तो 8th and 9th का आंसर क्या है? Question number 8. A. Build stronger relationships between institutions and the public by enhancing. B. Restore trust in systems that have long been considered opaque by improving. C. Undermine public trust in institutions by decreasing. D. Enhance the reliability of public institutions by increasing. तो यहाँ पे मैं देख रहा हूँ अंडरमाइन पब्लिक ट्रस्ट इन इंस्टीट्यूशंस बाय डिक्रीजिंग. तो डिक्रीज किया जा सकता है ये जो पब्लिक ट्रस्ट जो कम हो गया उसको. तो फिर सी इज द राइट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 9. ए. Reinforce the public's trust in technology and the decisions made by. B. Diminish people's sense of control over decisions that affect their lives by reducing. C. Bolster the confidence of citizens in mechanisms that govern. D. Obscure the transparency needed for maintaining public trust. So हमने देखा था कि B. Diminish people's sense of control over decisions that affect their lives by reducing should be the right answer. Okay. Now let's get on with the 10th. However, Dr. Lee's argument that AI can learn from its mistakes and continuously improve is encouraging. It seems essentially that we develop a framework that dash these various concerns and ensures AI is used ethically and effectively. So question number 10. A. Balances the efficiency of AI with the need for human oversight by addressing. B. Ignores the broader social implications by overlooking. C. Amplifies the technical benefits although dismissing. D. Contradicts the ethical considerations while undermining. तो B, C, D को मैं eliminate करता हूँ क्योंकि A is the right answer. Balances the efficiency of AI with the need for human oversight by addressing. तो फिर humans जब भी intervene करते हैं AI के साथ थोड़ा बहुत AI भी बैलेंस करके फ्यूचर में जबकि एडवांस हो जाएगा तो फिर ये सब हासिल कर सकते हैं. क्योंकि हमने पैराग्राफ में क्लियरली देखा था कि इट इज क्रूशियल रिलाइंग टू हेविली ऑन एआई करके देखा था. उसके बाद हमने देखा था कि इट सीम्स एसेंशियल दैट वी डेवलप अ फ्रेमवर्क. ओके, तो फिर एक फ्रेमवर्क हम खड़ी कर देंगे तो वेरियस कंसर्न्स एंड एंश्योर एआई इज यूज्ड एथिकली एंड इफेक्टिवली. तो फिर आंसर्स ऐसे ही आप परख सकते हैं, देख सकते हैं, क्योंकि रीडिंग का थोड़ा बहुत अंडरस्टैंडिंग होना चाहिए। दोस्तों, आप लोगों को ये वीडियो जरूर पसंद आया होगा। I'll see you on the other side with a brilliant video. Thanks for watching.